Welcome back sa Book Gaming Channel. Guys, this is the spot where we talk about crypto, gaming, Web3, and real ways to level up your online income. And today's video is something different because we're not just talking about one strategy. Let's just talk about prediction market. So guys, right now, many people in the market are currently making money predicting what will happen next. As mentioned, ito yung meta. At for example, many trader last month, guys, last month lang to, predicted that Bitcoin will return to 80,000 US dollar this month. Now, the Bitcoin has broken through 800,000 this month. Lumagpas na po. Those who made the correct prediction have made substantial profit. Yes, madami pong kumita doon. Every option, every prediction, every judgment you make about the world, they can be your income. So basic prediction lang yung gagawin natin. And the most prediction market only let you wait for the final outcome. So today, let's chat about one of the most exciting things I've seen recently in crypto trading. Guys, walang iba yung BingX and syempre yung EventX dito sa BingX. Brand new event contract product boosting these explosive features like 10 times leverage and limited time 0% trading fee. Okay, and why so many people already jumping into it? Actually, guys, ito yung pinaka-important. Right now, you can join the massive 1 million US dollar prize pool. Yes, that's 1 million US dollar prize pool for this event. And wait, meron pa akong exclusive promo code for you guys. You can get 20 USDT, but it's limited to the first 50 user only. So if you want to grab this bonus, make sure you check the link in the description. I will put the link in the description. And para makuha nyo yung, click nyo lang to, and then click nyo lang tong my event. And then after that, go to voucher, and then just add code. Okay, again guys, this is limited for 50 users. So make sure to register and take advantage of these 20 US dollar rewards. Guys, again, this is a free reward. Okay, you don't need any income for this. Just use the voucher code. Alright guys, given that you already get your 20 USDT goodies, okay, this is the exciting part right now. So guys, this is the BingX Event X. So here's the concept in the simplest ways possible. BingX Event X lets you trade on the outcome of real world events. Basically, parang prediction market siya but with real financial opportunities involved. You simply decide. So whether something will happen or not. So parang what is the weather tomorrow? What will be, it will be raining or something like that. That's it, pretty much, pretty basic. So what EventX really stand out for their exclusive 10 times leverage features. Guys, meron silang 10 times leverage features. Similar talaga siya sa mga crypto and forex trading. So guys, let me walk you through a real world example so you can see just how wonderful leverage can be. Say you catch a win that a top tier gaming project, think something like Axie Infinity is about to announce a partnership with major traditional gaming studio like Ubisoft. You figure that when this news drop, that project token price will likely spike. So you decided to predict yes on EventX. Guys, that's just a very simple concept. Without leverage, you threw 20 US dollar. Again, guys, that's 20 US dollar. The probability of the event that happening goes up by 10% and you pocket 2 US dollar. Guys, this is the advantage of 10x leverage. So, with the 10 times leverage, same 20 investment, same 10% probability bump, but now you're looking at 20 US dollar in profit. So basically, with the 10 times leverage, you can earn more. So similar about crypto market, crypto trading, forex trading. The magic of EventX leverage model, you're working with the same capital but multiplying the returns tenfold. And here's what really gets wild. Since news and market reaction are happening in real time, you can adjust the trade as event unfold. You don't have to wait for the financial outcome to look in a massive gains. You can cash out early and secure your multiple profit before it's all said and done. Now, guys, ito na. Let's talk about the fun part. What kind of event Can you trade on literally almost everything? Actually, nandito na lahat sa BingX. People are talking about right now, politics, sports, entertainment, economics, of course, crypto, play to earn. If the words hype about it, the chance are you can probably trade it on EventX. Honestly, that's what makes this platform super interesting because it feels connected to real world and new every single day. So guys, for example, ito yung mga sample events. So for example, NBA Championship, kiklik nyo lang yan. Okay, para may example lang tayo, no? So okay lang natin to. For example, in this event, who's going to win the 2026 NBA Championship? So right now, we have 3 top contender: Oklahoma City Thunder, San Antonio Sparks, New York Knicks. And here you can see the chances of Oklahoma City Thunder is around 40%. So, is Oklahoma City Thunder will be the champion for the NBA this 2026? If you think so, you can just simply click yes. If not, you can just click no. Similar thing. If you think San Antonio Spurs will win the NBA 2026 champion, you can check yes or no. Alright, similar thing. New York Knicks, yes or no. So, right now, I'm seeing the chart. I look at it, 40% is Oklahoma City Thunder. So, if I select yes, you can check the panel right here and then check the marketplace or market price rather. And then, as mentioned before, as low as 1 USDT, you can trade here in BingX Event X. So, I'm just going to use the $1 US. And at the same time, the available funds here is, for me, the USD M per future. I need to check this one. And then, yep. And then my estimated profit is $2.32 USDT. Okay, so I'm just gonna click trade for this one. So Oklahoma City trade and click continue order. Confirm. And that's it. I already have my prediction for the 2026 NBA Championship. And the good thing, guys, BingX is running a mystery lucky draw since May 19th with the prize pool of $1 million US. How do you track the lottery ticket? Deposit, trade, refer friends. The more you play, the more chance you get. Honestly, this is the probably the best shot to test it out without breaking the bank. So similar thing, let's select another event in the, and now I will teach you how to use the leverage. 10 times leverage. So for example, let's check this FIFA World Cup. Okay, you can add 1 USDT and then here from here on, you can just select the navigation bar over here and then you can adjust the leverage that you want, even 5 times or 10 times. For this tutorial, I will select 10 times leverage because that's the best advantage in this market at the right time. So I guess I'm gonna click trade. Okay, double check everything and then click confirm. By the way, guys, after you confirm, you can check your order here. My previous one, it's already selected here. You can see everything else is looking perfect, looking good. Okay, so again, from market, just select leverage. To experience BingX Event X for yourself and join the ongoing campaign, click the link in the video description right now. Guys, don't forget to use the exclusive promo code here. Nakalagay na dyan, ha? So, 20 USDT for 50 lucky user. So, you can start your crypto trading right out of the bat. Okay. Trust me, this is something you'll want to check out. Maganda to, guys, ha. And syempre, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the Buhok Gaming channel, and turn on the notification para ma-update ko din po kayo sa mga latest crypto opportunities, play to earn updates, and online earnings. And guys, always remember, Buhok Gaming loves you all. See you again in my next video. Salamat.